Tired of constantly reaching for your mouse just to click a link or a button? I get it. If you rely on keyboard navigation or have any motor difficulties, that constant back and forth between keys and mouse can be really frustrating. The good news is, you can enable text cursor navigation in Google Chrome and browse entirely with your keyboard. It gives you so much more control and freedom. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly where to find that hidden setting and how to toggle it on in just a few clicks. We will walk through it step by step, with clear visuals the whole way, so you will be navigating pages like a pro by the end. Alright, first things first. Let us open up Google Chrome. You can find it on your desktop in your taskbar or in your Applications folder. Go ahead and launch it now. Now look up to the very top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That is the menu button. Give that a click, so that menu just dropped down, and it is packed with options. From that list, you want to click on the one that says Settings. It is usually near the bottom of that menu. This opens up the entire Chrome settings page. Over on the left-hand side, you will see a panel with a bunch of different categories. We need to find the one labeled Accessibility. It is usually near the bottom, so just scroll down until you see it and click on it. You are now in the Accessibility settings. This is where Chrome keeps all the features that make browsing easier for everyone. So what we are looking for here is an option called Navigate Pages with a text cursor. Take a second to scan the page until you spot it. Now pay close attention to this part. Next to that option, there is a little toggle switch. It probably looks grayed out right now. Simply click on that toggle and it will slide over and turn blue. That is it. You have just enabled Caret browsing. To make sure it is working, let us test it out. Click anywhere on a web page, like the one you are looking at right now. You should see a blinking text cursor appear. Now, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move that cursor around the page. It will highlight links and buttons as you go. To click on a highlighted link, just press the Enter key. It really is that smooth. Now, here is an advanced tip for you. If you want to customize how Caret browsing works, you can right-click on the page while you are using it. A context menu will pop up with a few options. You can choose to turn on the Caret browsing indicator, which gives you a special color, or you can use the F7 key to quickly turn Caret browsing on and off without going back into settings every time. That shortcut is a real game changer for speed. One quick troubleshooting note. If you ever find that the text cursor is not showing up, or the arrow keys are not moving it the way you expect, just make sure you have actually clicked on the web page first. The cursor only appears once a page has focus. Also, check that the toggle is still turned on in your settings. It is an easy thing to accidentally switch off. So there you have it. You have just taken a huge step towards navigating the web in a way that works best for you. No more hunting for your mouse just to open a new article or click a link. You are now free to move through Chrome using nothing but your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching, and happy browsing.